Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mini. In this video I'm gonna share with you guys how to make onion oil at home. In a previous video I have already showed you how to use raw onion juice for hair growth, and in this video I'm gonna share how to make onion oil so you can preserve it and use it for longer. Now, onion oil promotes new hair growth, prevents hair fall or hair loss, and also prevents baldness or bald spots when used regularly. So if you wanna know how to make onion oil at home, then keep on watching. To make the onion oil, add some sesame oil to a pan and keep some chopped onions ready. The reason why I'm using sesame oil is because sesame oil has a pretty strong smell of its own, which will dilute the raw smell of the onions. Now add the chopped onions to the sesame oil and keep the gas on the lowest setting and keep stirring the onions. Also, you can add some black cumin seeds or kalonji seeds to the oil. Sesame oil is enriched in vitamin E, vitamin B complex, calcium and magnesium, which help to strengthen the hair follicles from the roots. Black kalonji or cumin seeds are known to promote hair growth. Keep stirring the onions with the oil until the onions start to become tender, and when they start to become soft and they start to change their color, then turn the gas off and leave it like so. Don't cook or don't burn the onions. When the oil gets totally cooled down, then separate the oil from the onions and store the oil in a container. Onion oil is enriched in sulfur, which is known to minimize hair thinning and hair breakage. Also, this oil has antibacterial properties, which is great to fight against scalp infections. To see maximum result, use this oil twice every week. Spread this oil all over your scalp and massage evenly. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.